lisod o gikan sa Metro Manila magatawagon nga person under monitoring o PUM. Ang tanang PUM kinahanglan dili mo gawas sa balay sulod sa 14 ka adlaw ug maghimo og self-quarantine.
So that was the public advisory from the LGU Claveria. So this time we have to stack up with essentials kasi nakakaubusan. You have to buy your fruits, veggies. Community quarantine. So stay at home. This is what happens. Yeah, so dahil nasa bahay lang, we have to make our own homemade stuff. You know, you get bored, make some empanadas, veggies, cooking show ang labas. So, wala kang ibang gagawin dahil you're stuck at home. And what else can you do? Watch TV. Ang sa amin dito is cook, yeah. Veggies and veggies and veggies. And so it's mother's best recipes.
You make sure you make pahid.
Yeah, do your barbecue. So it's texturized vegetable protein. Del Monte. There were no animals harmed in the making of this barbecue. Ito ko na maintindihan yung sinasabi pinasagdan sa kusina. Adios.